Yeah. I mean, if you ask the healthcare workers there, you ask the doctors and the nurses, and they say it's just another sort of notch in making the Gaza Strip unlivable, uninhabitable. I mean, if you are basically destroying and ruining the healthcare system, I mean, that's just one of the pillars that you need for them to be able to survive. And, I mean, I think you remind me of what happened also to Dr. Abu Sylmiyah, the director of Shifa Hospital. And, he was abducted, then he's released, and his family is saying that both of his arms were broken, that he was stripped naked, that he had a leash around his neck, that he was made to eat out of a bowl in front of other people that were also detained at the time. And I remember these physicians being so concerned about the humiliation and the indignity more than being killed. I mean, they literally said, I'd rather die in an airstrike on the hospital than be detained because of what would become of them. That sort of idea where every single ounce of dignity that they have is stripped from them. And that, I can't even imagine what sort of psychological effect that's going to have on healthcare workers for the foreseeable future. I mean, I can't even imagine just the idea of trying to practice under the constant threat of violence, under the constant bombing. But, these are the sort of things that really affect them. And it had actually forced medical staff to leave the hospital when they were approaching Nasser. Is they had heard what happened to the other physicians and the other nurses, and they were not going to do that again.